Welcome to the Punjab Dyers Association's 40 MLD Common Effluent Treatment Plant. This plant treats wastewater from dyeing units before it is released into the environment. Let's walk through each step of the treatment process. First, the wastewater enters the inlet chamber where the initial flow is collected. From here, it passes through the mechanical screen, which removes large, solid waste. The water then moves to the raw sump, a collection tank that pumps the wastewater ahead. Next, the flow reaches the stilling chamber, where the water becomes steady, helping in the removal of suspended particles. After this, it moves through the fine screen, which removes smaller particles. The water then enters the grit chamber, where sand and heavy particles settle at the bottom. After grit removal, the water is sent to the equalization tank, where it is mixed properly to maintain uniform quality. From here, it goes to the dosing tank, or pH tank 1, where chemicals are added to adjust the pH. The treated water then flows into the clarifier tank, where sludge settles at the bottom and cleaner water moves ahead. The clarified water then moves to pH tank 2 for final pH correction. The sludge collected from the clarifier goes into the sludge sump, and then it is processed through the belt filter press, which converts it into dry sludge for proper disposal. The partially treated water then enters the 4 biological treatment units, SBR1, SBR2, SBR3, and SBR4, where microorganisms clean the water further by breaking down dissolved pollutants. After biological treatment, the water enters the chlorine contact tank, where it is disinfected. Chlorine kills any remaining germs and makes the water safe before discharge. Now comes the final and very important stage, water quality sampling. Before any treated water is released, samples are taken directly from the chlorine contact tank outlet. These samples help verify that all environmental standards are being met. Next, the treated water from CETP 40 MLD and CETP 50 MLD is combined and discharged into Buddha Nala. At this discharge point, another sample is collected to ensure that the combined treated water is within prescribed limits. Finally, a third sample is collected after the treated water mixes with the 225 MLD STP discharge, along with both CETP discharges. This shows the condition of the water after all treated streams merge, helping authorities check the overall impact on the water body.